How to create Yubo account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Yubo app. Here we go. You will land to this kind of interface. Now over here you'll find this option of continue with Apple or Google and then option of login. Click on this option of continue with Apple or Google. Now you have to select your email ID. Once you select it, click on continue. With that you will get this option login or create new account. Click on this option of create new account. Now you have to fill this. Firstly, type in your nickname, type in your birthday, and then select your gender. Add a face pic. Click on this plus icon. You can use the picture from your camera roll or you can take a selfie. After you select the picture, now you have to create username and then click on continue. Creating your account. What kind of friends? From here, choose the kind of friends you want to make on Yubo. Once you select it, click on continue. What are you into? Tap 5 tags to show your hobbies and interests in your profile. After you select it, click on continue. Go through all these community guidelines and then click on accept. And with that, your Yubo account will be created. So this is how you can easily create your Yubo account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.